In this video we present you the calibrated scale of the PCE-MS T3 series.
A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello, my name is Maximilian Knoppe and I present you today the digital scale of the PCE-MS T3 series. The scale is available in three different types. For one with a normal weighing surface, with a stainless steel surface and with a plastic bowl. Thanks to the built-in battery and the different weighing surfaces, you can find the calibrated scale PCE-MS T3 used in chemists, food stores, cafes and restaurants, and everywhere where the calibrated scale with the calibration 3 is mandatory. The scales are all in the area where calibration up to 3 kilograms. The resolution of the calibration area is by the scale's 1 gram. The speciality of the PCE-MS T3 scale is that these calibrated scales by delivery are already conformed. The conform value replaces the first calibration. The conform value evaluation is of the largest geographical zone and from the customer's import installation site, so as the calibration mistakes less in the customer zone. In the delivery of the scale you find the PCE-MS T3 set itself, a transparent protective cover, a power adapter, a user manual and the conformity assessment. After turning on and the self-test, you can directly start weighing. With the area subject to legal control is the weighing above the specified weighing load to be carried out. The minimum weighing weight is in the display as of on the identification plate to be referred to. By PCE-MS T3 is the minimal load 20 grams. Weighing beneath the minimum load the scale shows, but it is not calibration allowed to use these weighing values. The tariff function can be used by two different sorts to make the net weighing simple. The net weight is the weight of the product without the packaging. For one, the packaging can be deleted out of the tariff without saving. As soon as the weighing surface is relieved, by pushing 2 times on the tariff button. We have the possibility for further weighing to save the tariff value. This tariff value stays in the memory until the tariff value is written over, deleted or the scale is turned off. By using the USB interface, the weight values can be transferred to a computer for further analysis. The integrated power pack allows mobile functionality with an operating time of up to 25 hours. By no usage of the PCE-MS T3, it switches into the standby mode to save the power pack. By reloading, it switches automatically back on. Is the power pack discharged, it can easily be reloaded using the power adapter. A usage of the scale while recharging is also possible. For the optimal stand is the usage of the built-in leveler, where the feet can be aligned. Further technical data and technical accessories you can find on our homepage.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.